Hello, I am Dr. Wasim Ali Tipu, Professor of Project Management, and we are learning Microsoft Project. In my previous video, we have just discussed about the task entry into Microsoft Project, then the auto scheduling of the tasks, and their connection by the placing the predecessors. It is a simple project layout in front of you, and the Gantt chart is also visible. This project explains the initiation phase of a project, and the six tasks are entered with a sequential linkage as displayed on the Gantt chart, and predecessors also explains it. Today we will discuss about the different type of connection between these tasks which they have. Studied in the project management that there are four type of relationship between the task, that is the finish to start to start, finish to start, and start to finish. These are the four type of connections between the task. So now we are going to see the practical application of these connection, how they appears into the Microsoft project, how to enter this relationship in the Microsoft projects. The predecessors is entered. Now just imagine that this is the task 3, T3, and the task 1. I want to link these two tasks by the gap of the 2 days. The default setting of the Microsoft project is the finish to start relationship, as this task is finishing and the other start is a task is starting. So finish to start is the default setting of the Microsoft project. Now I want that T3 must start after 2 days of the T1. So how I am going to enter this relationship? Now suppose I want to connect the task 3 with the task 1. So the task 1 is has the numbering of the 3. So I am going to place 3. I want to give the relationship of the finish to start as a default. Then I want to give the gap of the 2 days. So just see, this has got linked with this task 1 with the gap of these are the this task 3 is finishing on the Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday are 2 days gap, and the task 3 is starting on the Friday. So now the 2 days gap has got appeared. Now let's try another sort of a relationship, that may be the start to start. I want the T5 must start as of the T4, but there must be the gap of the 2 days. There must be start to start relationship. So I place 6, okay, as predecessor name is present. So I want to give the start to start relationship, but I want to give 2 days gap. Just see. Now these two tasks have start to start relationship, but the gap of the 2 days. Now this task is going to start after the start of this task, 2 days gap. So this is quite clear from this. Yes, I can also give the relationship that I want that it should start 2 days earlier than. Then what should I do? I must just simply change the plus into negative. Just see, this is the relationship which appearing. Okay, just to undo, or I can just make it like this. We are having like this. So suppose the task 5 was performing by a certain individual who has got on some urgent work and he has left it. So now we want to split this task by the delay of certain days. How to split that task? Just select this task, go to this icon which is appearing on up, click on this task, and your cursor will become like this. Hold this, and the days of the gap whichever you want to fill, provide that. You will see this is going to the gap in that. So in this way you can split the task as well. So a Microsoft project provide you the splitting of the task as well. There is an other important feature of entry of the milestone. What is milestone? Any task which has a 0 day activity. A 0 day activity becomes the milestone. Once we are going to make it auto schedule, the date is there. Now I want to link it with the above activity. So you see that the milestone is appearing over here. So this milestone is the indication of very important activity or event of the project. So it is always appear with the 0 days and the diamond shape. So this is the linkage. I am sure these three things which I have discussed today have got you a fair idea that how you can apply different type of relationship, finish to start, start to start, or and you have got the idea of the splitting of the task and placing of the milestone in the Microsoft project. Thank you very much.